What's up, guys? What's up, guys? John here. Today, I'm gonna react to 5 spooky sounds in gaming content that spooked us as kids. So some people, so I think that's a cool video because maybe have some spooky sounds and gaming content that spooked us as kids. So I'm gonna be reacting to this video. And I think I want to see how creepy it's gonna be. So I think you guys in the react. So this guy's from Joshua Williamson. So without further ado, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, play. Yep, let's go. Yep. Yeah. I don't like this sound either. Oh, GameCube, I love that. Yeah, because that's a favorite console. Okay, let's get that. I hate that. Yep. Oh, yeah, that I remember. Maybe. I don't remember. Yep. Oh, here we go. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay, number 5. 60-day running. Okay, I think I remember this. I never rolled that either. Yep. Oh my god. Oh yeah, this is about to get creepy anytime. Oh my god. This is already good off the bad start here, everyone. That's not you again. I'm already terrified, dude. Come on. Jeez, this is so settling. Yep. Yeah, I agree, Josh. Yeah. I agree. I'm never going. I don't know about this, but I know this is creepy as it is. This is as creepy as it is. Jesus, that was not cool. That was very. I think that's probably the top 5, the first one on the list. I'm already terrified right now. Seriously. All right. Okay, number 4. Sorry for Harmony. I think I have this one. Maybe I have never. Okay. I wanted to say to you guys, I might wanna turn down the volume because some sounds are gonna like be very ear-rapey. So I'm gonna put down the volume real quick. So my problem might not be able to, so you guys not be able to hear it. So, but you might see the image right now. I think the first sound that was released was the creepiest. Really, I'm not kidding. I think that was the creepiest, in my opinion. I'm never gonna. Center sound, okay. Yeah. Okay, what you got for me? Okay, that's the startup screen. That's totally normal. I know exactly because that's supposed to do that way. Oh, now that's have to be checked out right now. Seriously, seconds later. Huh. Oh my God, no, dude, stop. Yeah, get that out of here. Someone should get that disc out of here, because this is worse, really. Jesus. Move on, please, move on. Yeah. God, this is giving me nightmares already. Jesus. Oh. Ah. This is not. Please move on, please. Gosh darn it. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Now, trust me, the last one that is going to be coming up is the worst one ever. The creepiest, to be honest with you. It did. It's pregnant too, actually. Oh, wow, really? Okay, good to know. Okay, next one. Let's go. 3. Some by Fear, another one. Original one. Have to feel, yeah. What? Okay. But the volume down real quick, a little bit. Okay. Oh my God, jeez. Jeez, you didn't do me like that. Swoosh. The swoosh is so weird. Jeez, man. These people made the thing too creepy, really. I'm not kidding. Yep, me too. Yeah, that's a fear I have too. Number 2, here we go. This is stupid commercial. Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm back. Hold on. I saw that screen too. I mean, I wasn't confused. I wasn't confused, but I got really terrified by that. I wasn't quite sure what was going on there, but it was just too scary, really. It was just too creepy. Actually, to be honest with you, Joshua, I think the GameCube is cool. My favorite console, to be honest with you. Oh, wow, really? Let's listen to it. Oh, it's more to it? Okay. Alright. That's too much tower. I don't have that much, but I have just a little bit. I have the squares, if you know what I mean. Yep. That's it. Yeah, it's good too. Now that you mention it. Yep, yeah. Now that you mention it, I think you're right. Yeah, I know. Oh, here we go. This is where stuff gets worse in this video right now. This is where you see stuff gets really creepy, and then when you go to sleep, it's gonna keep doing that horrible sounds in your head. Just trust me. Commercials. Oh no, not this. I always didn't like that commercial, really. I really didn't like it. Okay, the last one. Here we go. Okay, let's put the volume on. Hold on. Yeah, I would love to have that original Xbox. Oh, really? Ah, oh, that jerk though. I shouldn't have done that. He shouldn't have done that actually. Oh wow, this. What if the bad start? Seriously. I so hate that. What? The heck? This is weird. This is not going well. In my opinion, I think this must be the worst. I think in my opinion, it must be the worst sounds ever. Coming along with the first one. That first one was pretty creepy too, to be honest. This is very creepy, you guys. I can't. You don't know. You can't even believe it. Just look at that. Look at how creepy it is. Can we skip ahead? Guess this is getting too unsettling. Please, seriously. This is so creepy. What is this guy doing? What is this kid saying? What? I have no idea what you said. What you say? Oh, okay. We good. I thought that was creepy though. That was pretty much creepy. So I think that wasn't as easy. I think if I didn't. Let's see. I don't think that was very great. I think that was pretty creepy, to be honest. NASA presentation. Wait, that sounds from the NASA holdings? Okay. It doesn't make any sense, but I get it. Yeah, it did left me uneasy, dude. It left me uneasy. No wonder. No, not that was too creepy and stuff, but it would be giving. That means true, dude. That I wouldn't like if I would hear stuff like that, just like you. But if I do hear something like that, oh, I would just start running upstairs. That's what I would do if I were how scared I was. If I was terrified like that, you know. That was harsh. I'm not saying that is not something bad, but it was pretty much confusing. But I know it was weird. Something was going on there. I don't know what it was, but something creepy was happening. I don't know what it was, but I think that was all of these ones was creepy, to be honest with you, Joshua. The only one that I didn't like is the first one. I think all of them but this one was pretty creepy. I think that one was harsh. Personified Fear and Here Fear for Harmony was as bad, but it was weird, it was scary, and it was really left me uneasy, really. I'm not kidding. Yeah, it would, but that's why I don't try these arrows out, you know? I'm not really mess with these arrow sounds, you know? I just don't like it. I just don't feel like doing it anymore. I mean, what's gonna that without you needing to do anything, you can still get it. You can still get the message. But I think afterwards, making that ocean sound, I think that was pretty cool. But the sound that came, the music, weird music that came with this, that was pretty weird. I think that's pretty cool. Wait, I wanna. Okay, guys, if you did like it, subscribe, share, subscribe, and if you want me to react to other videos, let me know. So if you, there's another video that is coming up soon, and if you guys want to check it out after it's done uploading, I would love you guys to share with your friends. So if you liked it, share, like, subscribe,